Guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my current favorite products with you guys. Products that I'm currently loving. So all of these products I've majorly used in the months of January and February, and I've really been enjoying all of these products. Now, I have shown you my product empties for the month of January and February in the last video. So in case you guys haven't checked that out, please do check that out. And in today's video, I have a lot of random fun things to share with you guys. I have like one gadget item, a few skincare things, basically random items, some related to health as well. And of course, at the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite movie and my recent favorite series that I've watched. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm not going in any particular order. Sabse pehle, we will start with a few skincare products, okay? The first product that I'm currently really loving is the rice water and niacinamide toner from Plum. Let me show you guys how much I've used this. I've not used it like a lot. Itna hi maine use kiya hai, honestly speaking. But because it's already pretty hot and humid in Bombay and it's gonna be getting warmer and warmer as the summer approaches in other parts of the country, I think these kind of refreshing toners are gonna be amazing to use like post a shower. So basically toners help us in two ways. They give us a very bright skin and they also help us tighten our pores. So I think it's really good. I love this product. It has rice water and niacinamide, which are like two very good ingredients, right? Which are really in trend also and are also very effective for the skin. So I'm currently loving this particular toner from Plum. Next up, I have these makeup remover wipes from Mars. You get 30 cotton wipes, which are like really soft. They're very like inexpensive. 30 wipes आपको मिल जाते हैं for 110 rupees. And if I'm not wrong, I had ordered them from Swiggy, Instamart. So सारे quick commerce platforms पे भी आपको ये मिल जाएगा. Now basically for removing makeup, I always use a microfiber cloth and micellar water and I remove my makeup. Recently, I was not able to clean my microfiber cloth for certain reasons and I was looking for like a quick instant solution for removing my makeup because I never go to bed without removing my makeup. It's a fact that I don't use a lot of makeup, but even the sunscreen or the BB cream or the kajal, whatever little makeup that I use, I have to remove it before I go to bed, okay? And face wash of course helps a lot, but with your eye makeup, I don't trust face wash that much. So these makeup remover wipes came in so handy. I still haven't used all of them. So बहुत ही अच्छे quality के हैं. These are not at all harsh. They don't have like a very strong odor or anything. A very subtle, nice fragrance and very soft kind of a cloth. So I love these wipes. I have इसके पहले used Color Bar के makeup remover wipes and I have also used Swiss Beauty. Yeah. So both of those products were really good. Mars का मैंने कभी use नहीं किया था, but these turned out to be brilliant. So in case you guys want something like for traveling or something, you know, instantly जिससे आपका makeup easily remove हो जाए, I think these makeup remover wipes from Mars are really good and really reasonable as well. Next skincare product which I've thoroughly enjoyed using recently is this foot cream from Vilva. This is the skin healing moisturizer from Vilva and this has 100 ml of foot cream in there. So this basically is really nice. Now I am gonna pop up the ingredients somewhere on the screen. I think it definitely has mint and some other very nice natural ingredients and this does a fab job in moisturizing my feet, okay? Like I have really dry and rough heels and I was at my wits end कि मैं क्या करूँ because normal moisturizers are not helping that much, but this particular foot cream from Vilva, which is available on Nykaa, did a fab job and I am currently loving this foot cream. I will in fact order another one because I have tried other foot creams as well, but they are not so result oriented and this one I just want to keep using for now. So I have a few more products in the skincare category, but skincare pe we will come back again very soon. Uske pehle let's quickly talk about some random items that I've been loving recently. The first one is this all night mosquito and fly protection spray from All Out. So basically you have to just pump this particular spray in the four corners of a room and this does keep mosquitoes and flies away. Now mosquitoes is something that I think is very irritating. I don't have to tell you guys anything in detail or describe anything in detail, but I didn't know that something like this exists because जो Mortein या Hit का जो spray होता है ना, that has a very peculiar fragrance, a very strong fragrance, which I do not like to put in my bedroom. I was looking for something with a more subtle smell, and I came across this again in one of the quick commerce platforms, most likely Swiggy, Instamart itself. So it's wonderful. It has a very subtle smell. आपको समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि आपने रूम में कुछ स्प्रे किया है. इसका स्मेल कुछ है ही नहीं एक्चुअली, बट इट इज सो इफेक्टिव. लाइक अगर आपके बेडरूम वगैरह में बहुत ज्यादा मॉस्किटोज होते हैं या फिर आपके बच्चे के रूम में बहुत मॉस्किटोज होते हैं, यू कैन जस्ट स्प्रे दिस लाइक आई सेड in the four corners of the room and you can be rest assured. Also, it's very very inexpensive here. I think you have 30 ml of spray in here and this will cost you around rupees 200, which is like great. So do try this one out. Next random product which I've been really loving is this particular product, which is Melts into throat relief. Okay, this is from this brand called Wellbeing Nutrition. Okay, now you basically get 3 oral strips, very thin strips, and these come with honey and curcumin. So basically, if you have like inflammation in your throat or you have a sore throat, which I have currently, these will really help you. Okay, and technically speaking, I don't know why, but these are a little on the expensive side. Like you get 30 strips for rupees 550. So close to 20 rupees per strip. I have still not been able to figure out why these are so expensive, because जो strepsils आते हैं ना, throat lozenges, वो काफी inexpensive आते हैं. So basically they have this unison effect formula which naturally alleviates the symptoms of cough, congestion and sore throat. So I used to see this in all the major, like pharmacy stores near our place, and I used to wonder कि ये है क्या. But once I tried this out, I think it's great. It has this very distinct like honey and ginger वाला flavor, and आपको इसको place करना होता है आपके टंग पे, and then it just melts into your mouth and you swallow it, and it's great for your throat. So yeah, a little on the expensive side, but it does its job really well. Quickly, we'll talk about 2 random gadget items that I've been currently loving so much. The first one is this particular microphone. If you guys are like budding content creators, then you can see for yourself कि इस video का audio quality कैसा है. Right now it's pretty hot in Bombay. I have the fan on, I have the AC on, but आपको कुछ भी background noise आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा होगा, because this mic is on right now, and this microphone is from this brand called Grenaro. So basically this is what it looks like. It basically looks like those wireless earphones वाला case, and इसके अंदर आपको 2 चीजें मिलती है. One is that USB connector which is connected to my phone right now, and one is this particular microphone जो मैंने यहाँ पे पहना हुआ है. आपको basically इसको चार्ज करना होता है. I think 1 or 2 hours of charge is sufficient. You can record 4 to 5 times, 4 to 5 videos, and then वापस चार्ज कर लो and वापस रिकॉर्ड कर लो. ऑडियो क्वालिटी आई थिंक आपको समझ में आ ही रहा होगा. इसका प्राइस मैंने कुछ 2500 के आसपास पे किया था. सो वेरी वेरी रीजनेबल. आई एम श्योर इट विल फिट द बिल फॉर ऑल द content creators, the budding content creators especially. Before you move into the digitech and the roads of the world, I think this is a very good microphone. And 2024 में मैंने इसको परचेज किया था, बट बीच में जो USB कनेक्टर है ना वो खो गया था, एंड वो रिसेंटली मुझे वापस मिला. सो आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस इन माय लास्ट कुछ वीडियोस. यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट, एंड आई एम absolutely loving it. Next up is yet another gadget product. Now I have an iPhone 15, okay, and I was looking for a wired earphones for a while, because जो wireless earphones होते हैं ना उसको टाइम चार्ज करो, ये करो, कभी ना मैं चार्ज करना ही भूल जाती थी. So wired earphones में वो चार्जिंग का टेंशन रहता नहीं है. So initially I was planning to buy the wired earphones from Apple. I think they cost somewhere around 3,000 or 4,000. So I was okay with buying that. But then one day again on a quick commerce platform, like on a Swiggy Instamart, I found these wired earphones from Portronics, which is again a very well-known brand in like gadgets and electronics. Now this particular wired earphone comes with a Type-C attachment, which is what my iPhone 15 has. So these earphones are so good. These get connected to my office laptop, personal laptop, to my phone, and really good audio quality, and also so cheap. Yeah, these are for some rupees 350. These ones are available on Amazon as well as on Instamart. आपके लिए जहाँ से भी convenient हो आप purchase कर सकते हो. Next random item happens to be an insulated flask. अभी बहुत दिनों से ना I was looking for a good insulated flask, and I came across this one from Borosil. Now not only is this like very useful and handy and helps me when I have like this bad sore throat. It looks so good. Yeah, it's so classy. It's basically black, but you have like a golden rim over here, which is so beautiful. यहाँ पे branding है. I completely love this flask. इसमें अभी भी गर्म पानी रखा है मैंने. So मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मैं सिर्फ थोड़ा थोड़ा करके गर्म पानी sip करूँ for my sore throat. And yeah, it's been working amazing. It's either a 250 ml or a 300 ml flask, and it's great. It's good to travel with. Recently I had traveled, so मैंने airport में भी इसमें गर्म पानी carry किया था, and it's really nice. I love it. It will cost you somewhere around 1,000 rupees. Next random item is this comb from Bare Anatomy. Now I love this because I know it's not a wooden comb, so it's not environmentally friendly. I bought this because it's a white toothed comb, and white toothed comb से मेरे बाल बहुत better रहते हैं than using any other comb like the thin toothed combs. Okay, thin tooth comb से मुझे इतना ज़्यादा hair fall हो रहा था that I had to get this comb for myself. It's so nice, and I think it was around 200 rupees or something. I got this from Nykaa. It's from the brand Bare Anatomy. I will link all the products in the description box below. So guys, those were all the skincare, random and gadget favorites that I've been having recently. Now, let's come to my most favorite movie that I watched recently, or movies and web series, okay? Now first, I'll talk to you guys about the two movies that I've loved recently. The first one happens to be Chhaava, of course. It's amazing. I mean, the direction, the acting, everything is good. I did like the music. A lot of people are criticizing the music a lot. I did like it, but I did not love it. I think A.R. Rahman did a way better job for Jodha Akbar. But if you guys haven't watched it yet, watch it for the direction, of course, the way that they presented it, and watch it for the man of the hour, Vicky Kaushal. Oh my god, I think he's just gotten into the soul of the character, into the skin of the character. He's worked really hard for the role and he's done a fabulous job. I've absolutely loved watching Chhaava. The second movie that I loved recently, it's not a recent movie, but I watched it recently on Netflix. The movie is Mona Lisa's Smile, starring Julia Roberts and a lot of other known faces. It's a pretty old movie. It's either late 90s or early 2000s. In this movie, she plays a teacher. Julia Roberts plays a teacher who is not necessarily against the concept of marriage, but she is pro the concept of independent working women. And the whole movie is about how she sort of inspires her students and motivates them to do something for themselves rather than just looking for a rich husband and starting a family. She teaches them the importance of having an independent income, an independent perspective towards life, doing a job that you love, all of that. So I think especially girls are gonna love this movie. It's a little slow paced, but if you like watching this kind of cinema with like good acting and like a good message, you will love this film. Now coming to the web series that I loved recently, there are two actually. The first one is Running Point. Now this web series stars Kate Hudson amongst others. I love Kate Hudson, like Something Borrowed, How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. I love all her movies, okay? Bride Wars, I love all of those movies. So basically in this movie, she is the only sister in the family. She has three brothers and her father had owned this basketball team in LA which goes by the name of Los Angeles Waves, okay? And the brother who runs the show, who is the president of this team, after their father passes away, has a drug problem. So once he gets into this sort of a situation, after taking drugs, that he's unable to run the team anymore, Kate Hudson starts running the show. She becomes the president and she starts running the show. She starts running the show for a basketball team, which is supposedly like a man's game, a gentleman's game. So this show is all about how a woman capable of facing any challenge and how she runs the show, how she overcomes the difficulties. It's a comedy, it's a situational comedy, but it's so fun to watch. It was a complete binge watch. Do watch it. And the second show, which I have not completed yet, but whatever 3-4 episodes I've seen, I've loved it. I'm definitely gonna complete it within this week. Goes by the name of Good Girls. It's a story about three friends, two of whom are sisters and the third lady is their friend. All of these three are in dire need of money and financial independence. They already do jobs, but they don't do high paying jobs, okay? So these three come together to rob a departmental store in which one of these female works. They'll rob that departmental store, and once they rob that, one after the other, they keep getting entangled into criminal activities. So how they pull out of all of those situations, all of those criminal activities, but stay together strongly as a team, and for earning money for themselves and their family members. So it was also a very nice watch. It's like a proper chick flick, like something that girls would love watching. So do watch that in case you haven't watched it already. So that's all, guys. That's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. I will be linking all of these products in the description box. So in case you guys are interested, do check it out. And yeah, in case you've liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye-bye.